Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from HDFC NETBANKING to Canada. So the first step we need to do is open our HDFC NETBANKIng. Once we have done this, we need to click in request section in this area right here, and we need to add a person to send the money. Click in this option. Once we done this, we need to add all the information about this contact. And once we have done this, we need to click in fund transfer, and then we're gonna click in remit now to start sending money to our person in another country. Right here you can add your bank account, your beneficiary. You need to add all this information to start to send the money really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.